Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Cleaning the household is one of the most time consuming, physically draining activity and everybody hates it. Many of you may not know that there are revolutionary robotic products available which can clean the house independently with zero intervention. Over here is the latest power cleaner from Samsung in the market, which is Samsung Powerbot-E VR5000 with the Wi-Fi control and all the latest feature. Let's open the box.
So over here we have the robotic cleaner. Comes with the charging station and the cable to give it power. This is the separate mop that you can attach when you want the robot to do the mopping. These are the propellers that help collect the dust, dirt and other stuff you want to clean. Comes with a remote control and batteries included, and you can also control it via the app using your phone. This is the booklet and another pamphlet.
Same way, if there is any obstacle, it will find that and change its path. When the battery is finished, the machine will automatically go to the charging station. See like how quietly she is going to the charging station. And now it is charging. Coming on the good and bad of this machine, the good thing is the machine is very compact and handy and especially useful for those people, those who are working and they can't find the time to clean or do the mopping and all that. So this machine is very useful for them. The other reason is like the machine can be operated through the Wi-Fi. Like even if you are outside your home, you can turn the machine on and it will do all the mopping and all that, cleaning also. So the other thing is the machine has a remote control, so you can use the machine with the remote also, so which many of the products in the market doesn't have the remote control. So this is another positive feature for this machine. And then other thing is like when the machine is out of battery, the machine automatically goes to the power station for recharge. So that is another good thing. Plus the machine has safety sensors, it avoids any obstacles, and any fall, anything like stairs, it can sense the stairs, and that way the machine is very good. But on the disadvantage side, I would say the machine has a very limited capacity, because the battery power is 150 minutes. So for a large home or like double story houses, this machine may not be good enough, one machine to serve the whole house. And secondly, the suction blades are very small. The blades are very small, and this is the roller which sucks the dust. But if you are thinking that this machine will be completely replacing a vacuum cleaner, it won't, because still you need a strong vacuum cleaner at home. So this machine is very handy, but especially for this reason, that the machine is not suitable for a big houses and doesn't suck all the strong dust particles. So that are the only two disadvantages I think. But rest, it is very good and within the budget, and you can go if you have a small unit, 2 or 3 bedder. That way it will suit your needs. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.